Yo, what's up men, Nirvana MB na naman nga pala to. Ang reviewer na walang tira men. Kilala nyo na walang iba kundi ako lang yun. At kung di ka pa nakasubscribe men, click mo na yung subscribe button dyan sa Gedli. Para at least men, update ka sa mga ilalabas natin mga reaction videos men. Katulad nito men, ito. Shoutout dito sa solid na tropa natin na si GS Cart 2424 men. Pinapaspatan sa atin tong kanta ni na BRGR at Madman Stan. Ang title nito men, Takot. Hindi ko pa ito napapakinggan men at I think napakinggan ko na sila sa ibang mga kanta, collaboration. Pero ito men, spatan na natin to. Ano lang yata to? Lyric lang yata to. Or baka wala. Okay. May saxophone pa yata to
Now I'm back and I flow better. I just act like I own less. Our lifestyle crazy. It is that Mr. Go-Getter. Guess my life wild baby, but I built my own setup. Now I lie how amazing how I built my own setup. How we roll, riding till like four. All my ups can stick. I'm knocking on their doors, and I don't really speak, so I'm rapping like I'm supposed to know. You heard and witness shit you probably never seen before. It's outside baby from the ground up. We was speaking.
Outside Mafia pala to. Outside Mafia ba yun, men? Parang yung napakinggan ko eh.
And I don't really speak, so I'm rapping like I'm supposed to know. You heard and witness shit you probably never seen before. It's outside baby from the ground up. We was speaking pounds up. Circle, round up. Fuck around and find out. Trap houses, hideouts. They don't know what I'm about. All they do is get money. All they do is bug out. And yeah, I see you.
All I do is money. Tapos, yung ginagawa nung iba naman is bug out. Balik nga natin.
Circle, round up, fuck around and find out. Trap houses, hideouts, they don't know what I'm about. All they do is get money, all they do is bug out. And yeah,
you know, all they do is bug out.
See you, but I can see you in my review. And of course they see me, but they can never ever see through. Guess they wanna be me. Okay, but first you have to be you, cause you won't believe me if I tell you things that I've done been through, mother.
Sony Music to men. Nakita ko yung baka produce or label na ba sila?
Matagal na akong takot, matagal na ring namuhay sa puot. Pero ang respeto hindi ko babase sa suot. Sablay kong nakabukod ang pagtrato, ang makadikit malabo. Ang hangad ko lang manalo, kung ayaw mo akin na. Lahat pinakamig na, ganito talaga gumana. Isip ko pang makina, pera matematika, pare matematika. Kung may kulang ka sa buhay, malamang ay taktika. O kaya pinotaktika, kami nagmamahika. Temperatura binaba, akala mo Antarctica. Yung outside mafia bumakat na parang may estante pa. Huling sumalungat sa amin, ngayon na bakante na. Kaya kung re-rebanse ka, tsansa pare alaw na. Yung maabutin alat na, galaw nyo lang manlala.
Ano kaya yun? Pertaining kay sa Olgang, yung linya na yun, men. Comment nyo na lang dyan.
Nilalaro ko salita, pero mas tungkol sa gawa to. Mahalaga yung kahapon, ngayon mas mahalaga to kung makikinig.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah, heard. Parang merong sumisingit sa ngipin ko. Men, to solid din to. Solid yung ano nito, men. Solid yung flow. Solid din yung ano nila, men, yung beat na ginamit. At yun nga lang, kumbaga, ilang minutes ba to? Sa bagay, ito na kasi yung standard, no? Yung less than 3 minutes or sometimes parang max na yung 3 minutes and maybe 40 seconds, ganun. Pero to, solid pa rin to. At shoutout dito sa tropa natin na GS Cartman. Yun lang muna for this video, men. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, men, click mo na yung subscribe button dyan sa Gedli para at least may update ka sa mga ilalabas natin mga reaction videos. Katulad nito, men, ingat palagi, good vibes, subscribes. Peace. Let's go.